What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to the channel. We're glad you stopped by. Hope everybody is doing great. We are having a great day. We are at a really fun place today called, oops, I'm sorry, I just stepped on Clover's foot, called Elizabeth Farms. And we're gonna go check out some really neat pigs. We can't wait to show you. So this is also a Christmas tree farm where they used to do horse-drawn carriage rides, and you could go out to the pastures and cut down the tree. And this year they're doing pre-cut trees. So we're not gonna get our tree here, but they are welcome for farm tours, and we're really excited to show you these special pigs. So stay tuned. I feel like we've said this in every video lately. I keep stepping on Clover, but it is still so beautiful here. We've had our cold days here and there, but it is 60 degrees. Who cuts down a tree when it's 60 degrees outside? Do you think we should wait since it's so warm?
Yeah.
Yeah? I didn't think that's what you said. Also, drop a comment if you think Weston needs a haircut. Yeah?
So we are walking over right now to the barn, and look at these cool turkeys. They're pretty friendly. I believe these are Royal Palms.
They're following us.
Oh, they're following us. That's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. These turkeys are super friendly.
Yeah, a little bit too friendly.
I think they might follow us. We gotta walk all the way up there. There's a big paddock right in front of us. I don't see any pigs. Right now we got a train of turkeys following us. And I don't know, they're probably looking for food or something. Well, let's just walk and see where they come. Let's see where they go. How about this? That was pretty funny, huh? One jumped up and tried to spur you.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's any pigs in here. That's a pretty cool hut. Yeah.
So that was pretty crazy. I mean, we've had tons of turkeys before, but we've never been chased by a flock of turkeys before. It suddenly became very hostile.
We like wore out our welcome.
We were friends, and then suddenly they were like, this is enough. Be gone. All right, we found our first Mangalitsa pigs. So this is what we journeyed by foot for miles and miles to come see, or maybe like yards.
So if you guys aren't familiar with this breed of pigs, it looks like a sheep, but it's not.
It's kind of like pig and then sheep mixed together makes shig.
Shig. Shig. I mean, look at
That's easier to say than Mangalitsa.
So these must be the sows because their udders are full. I don't see any piglets around. I did hear there were piglets here. They're probably up at the barn, but they're pretty cool. It reminds me of a big Ida, right? A big Ida. It's really hairy, and from my understanding, their meat tastes delicious. You gonna say something?
One, two, three, four, five.
Okay, these are the big mamas.
Yeah, these are the big
These are
ones.
the big mamas.
How do you know?
They're big and they're mamas.
How do you know?
Well, you can see their udders are really full.
Look how hairy they are. That's crazy. Let's see if I can get down in there.
Mama.
You guys got it?
This must be a mating pen. I'm gonna go out on the limb because these guys look like girls right here. And way back there is the boar. And you can definitely tell he's a boar by looking at his back end.
Okay, so I just heard Jeremy explain how to tell the difference between a boy pig and
You
a
never can assume
girl
though.
pig.
You never can assume. Someone might be watching that doesn't
sure
know.
That's an unnecessary explanation.
Hey. I just want
Farming 101.
I just want to educate you guys because people might be tuning in that don't know.
I love how our kids have been around chickens since they were born.
They run right up
And
to them.
they love when they see chickens on other properties. They love that. You see them?
Piglets are in here.
Well, let's go around the barn.
way.
So here we go. We made it to the piglets. Oh, there's a mama too. Look at them. They're so cute.
I want one too, Remy.
They're so cool.
Can we get one?
What do you think? So right now we are in the nursery barn. These piglets are so cute. They were probably born about a week ago. Super small. You can fit them in the palm of your hand. It is absolutely amazing what great mothers pigs are. They're just laying there and they're just suckling. It's so amazing. It's so cool. We need to have pigs on the farm and breed pigs. That way we continuously have food on our homestead. It's like each one of these stalls have a mama and some baby pigs. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, there's more. What's up, buddy?
There's some huge rats over here.
Like almost the size of the baby piglets. Like it's.
Where?
He's not kidding. Over here.
There's a rat over there. Right here. We have the miniature dog, miniature horse over here.
Miniature horse?
Mm-hmm.
You probably could ride that thing. That's pretty cool.
I'm going.
We got miniature horse, and I think there's some baby calves over here as well. This is absolutely amazing. Each stall has a sow with probably 8 to 10 piglets in it.
Yeah, there's probably like 100 and probably at least 100.
There's going to be tons of pigs on the farm come springtime. We got some full-grown ones out here, but like I said, each stall has a pig, and this is actually the second barn we came to, and it's the same in every single barn that we've been in.
Yeah, it's also a really pretty farm. Farms in general usually aren't very pretty. This one's really pretty. I love the lights. I love the clean look of the stalls.
I feel like a little kid.
Wait, are you dreaming of our next
Oh my goodness, I feel like a
farm
little
and our
kid
next
right
farm
now.
animal?
I love this fencing. They have this wooden fencing, but then down below they have the electric wire for the pigs.
So it's a little hard knowing that we're about to give up our farm that we love so much and we don't have one yet. But it is really cool to be able to visit other places like this and see how other people farm. I would say the pigs were a big hit with our kids, but probably the rats was a bigger hit. Which is just part of farming, right? I mean, you got a farm, you're gonna have rats, but that's pretty funny. That was fun. I'm so glad we came out here to Elizabeth Farms to see these awesome Mangalitsa pigs. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. And if you're able to go out and find a farm around your area, if you don't have a farm, not everybody has a farm or the land to have these kinds of animals, but you can still go check it out if you have some local farms in your area. So we encourage you to do that. It's good to get out, get some fresh air, smell some farm stink. It's good for the soul. All right, y'all take care, enjoy the day, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment about how short you want Weston's hair to be.